A relentless onslaught of strong windstorm and unyielding heavy rain has recently cast a shadow of chaos across the landscape of Turkey, serving as a stark and undeniable warning about the evolving patterns of the country's climate. The elements, in their fury, seem to be sending a message that demands attention and reflection on the broader implications of our changing environment.
Oh my goodness. There goes the tree! Oh my God!
In the wake of persistent warnings issued by Turkey's state meteorological agency, the prophesied storms and heavy downpours have manifested, bringing the bustling rhythm of daily life to an abrupt and unwelcome standstill. Communities grapple with the disruptive force of nature, navigating the challenges posed by these climatic disruptions that demand resilience and adaptation.
İnanılmaz görüntüler var burada.
Torrential rain, accompanied by a sudden storm boasting gusts of up to 201 km/h, has unleashed its wrath upon Istanbul, leaving a trail of tragedy and destruction in its tempestuous wake. The storm's unforgiving reach extends beyond mere inconvenience, affecting districts, disrupting travel, and conjuring high waves that defiantly crash upon the coastal boundaries, reshaping the very fabric of the affected regions.
Üzere muhtemelen yavaş yavaş karaya oturtmaya çalışıyor.
Heavy rains in places.
Strong winds, akin to nature's battering ram, ruthlessly knocked down billboards and scattered debris, shattering windows on buildings and cars alike. Reports flood in, painting a vivid picture of fallen pillars, uprooted trees, and damaged structures, showcasing the sheer force and indiscriminate nature of the storm's impact on the built environment.
Leck mich am Arsch, komm ein bisschen ran.
Muhtemelen yavaş yavaş karaya oturtmaya.
In response to the unfolding crisis, emergency measures were swiftly implemented to shield against potential hazards wrought by the extreme weather conditions. A state of emergency, a testament to the severity of the situation, descended upon the affected areas, grappling with heavy damage, disrupted power supplies, and the urgent need for evacuations. The community bands together in the face of adversity, mobilizing resources and resilience to weather the storm.
Çok fena.
Olha ali, arrancando as telhas. Olha lá, olha lá, olha lá.
The relentless storm and unyielding heavy rain inflicted significant damage and disruptions, creating a tableau of chaos that unfolded in towns and villages spread across various provinces. The ramifications reverberate, leading to the regrettable but necessary postponement of educational activities and casting a pervasive shadow over the fabric of daily life.
Ahmet, ev gidiyor, ev gidiyor, ev gidiyor. Allah'ım yardım et, çatımız düştü. Çatı düştü.
The affected regions find themselves caught in a delicate dance with nature as they grapple with the aftermath and seek to rebuild amidst the echoes of the recent climatic upheaval.